Sounds to Words, Phase 1. Hearing sounds in words. In this activity, we are going to listen for sounds in words. You will need your Alconen boxes for this activity. If you don't have an Alconen box, then use the one on the screen. The success criteria for this activity is I can identify if the sound is at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. This is the Alconen boxes that I'm going to use. You can see that the first box says start, the middle box says middle, and the last box says end. You will touch the box to indicate where you hear the sound. Let's have a practice. Start. Touch the start box. The start box indicates that you can hear the sound at the start of a word. Touch the middle box. The middle box indicates that you can hear the sound in the middle of a word. Touch the end box. The end box indicates that you can hear the sound at the end of a word.